Kidney health through everyday food choices. Kidney health. Small changes protect big functions. This story started quietly, with a lab report I did not expect. Numbers slightly off. Not dangerous, but not ideal either. My doctor was calm. No dramatic warnings. Just one sentence that stayed with me. Your kidneys respond to daily habits. That sent me researching. Not for miracles, but for foods that support kidney function naturally. This is not about reversing damage. It is about improving how kidneys work and slowing unwanted decline. How kidneys actually struggle. Kidneys filter waste from blood. They balance fluids and minerals. Poor diet increases workload over time. Oxidative stress and inflammation matter here. This is explained by the National Institutes of Health. Food does not fix everything, but it can support normal filtration. Food 1. Blueberries, rich in anthocyanins. These compounds reduce oxidative stress. Described in the Journal of Nutrition. I add a small bowl, 3 to 4 times weekly. Food 2. Red bell peppers, low potassium, high in vitamin C, useful for kidney-friendly diets, supported by Mayo Clinic guidance. Food 3. Cabbage, cruciferous and fiber-rich, supports digestion and toxin handling, noted in 9 nutrition reviews. I saute it lightly, nothing fancy. Food 4. Garlic, contains allicin compounds, linked to anti-inflammatory effects, studied in nephrology research journals. 1 clove daily was enough for me. Food 5. Olive oil, healthy monounsaturated fats, supports lipid balance, helps reduce oxidative load. European Journal of Clinical Nutrition discusses this. Food 6. Apples, pectin fiber helps waste removal. This supports gut-kidney interaction, described in Kidney International reviews. Food 7. Egg whites, high-quality protein, low phosphorus compared to other sources. Often recommended in renal nutrition plans. Simple portions that worked. Fruit 1 serving per day. Vegetables 2 plates daily. Protein moderate and spaced out. Why this matters scientifically: less oxidative stress, less inflammatory signaling, more efficient filtration support. Results were gradual. Less bloating, steadier energy. Labs improved modestly over months. Important reality check: effects differ by dose and health status. Some foods may not suit everyone. Balance and moderation matter. Possible side notes: sudden fiber increase may upset digestion. Go slow and adjust. Medical guidance matters. Always consult your doctor first. Making this sustainable: prep vegetables in advance. Rotate fruits weekly. Keep meals simple. Tracking progress wisely. Monitor labs as advised. Note energy and hydration changes. This experience changed my mindset. Kidney care is daily care. If this helped you, like the video and share. Try one change this week. Consistency protects your kidneys.